Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show to remove anything on the blog page. So for example, if you want to hide blog post category, post meta, as well as title, content. So how you can do that? Simply you can go back to the theme customizer and I'm choosing Astra WordPress theme. So you can install this theme free of cost, okay? After that, you can go back to the post types, then post archive. Scroll down and here you can find out, here you can see this one featured image post category. Okay, now let me go back and for example I want to hide this one post category, then simply you can click on I button. And also I want to hide this post meta. Okay, this one, click here, then click on publish button. Now let's go back and here you can see it's working fine.